Tornadoes happen all across the globe, but they mainly occur here in the U.S. But why is that? The U.S. has perfect geography for tornadoes to occur, as first, warm, moist air flows in from the Gulf. Then, warm, dry air is carried by the jet stream. Finally, cool, dry air flows in from the Rockies. The warm, dry air keeps a lid on the atmosphere, but when you add wind shear to the equation, the cool air rushes up, forming a supercell, and if the conditions are perfect, a tornado will occur. Which is why